I'm talking about one of our customer today, whose largest UPS manufacturing company in the world, operates across almost 80 different countries, and we won this account through a stiff tendering process 6 years back, competing with some of the largest IT company in India. The whole problem statement was to manage the warranty cost for this particular customer. Customers spend several $millions of warranty cost in a year, and the intent of the project was to reduce this warranty cost by around 10%. It's a pretty complex statement to fix. Generally, warranty products does not fail immediately you purchase. They fail after 1, 2, 3 years, and if they are within the warranty, you need to replace or fix those products. The challenge comes over here is, first of all, a product built in a country across 20 different factories in 20 different countries, but sold across 80 different countries, and they are maintained and supported by lots of local service provider. The company had around 20,000 plus service provider globally. So if a product fails, it goes to a local service provider. He fixes the product, give it back to customer, and charge it back to the company. But by the time you even get the data of at the headquarter how much warranty cost you incurred last month, it just takes around 5-6 months of a time by collecting data across 20,000 different service centers globally. To fix these issues, what we did, we built a solution, a cloud-based application, a centralized repair center application as step one, where all repair centers globally was brought into the platform and made sure that they all using the central platform, and we have a real-time failure data field failure data that take place is been available, and the inventory of goods, that is spare parts that is required to fix the product, is available, and the root cause of the failure diagnosed by the technician is centrally available. So this helps us collecting the data faster, but it still doesn't help in solving the problem of saving the cost. But it kind of given a good impression why things are failing in the market. To get the savings done, now we need to integrate this data back to the manufacturing facilities and see when these products were produced X number of years back, what were the conditions they were passed in, and why they actually went ahead and failed in the market. So a lot of correlation of field data, field failure data, back to manufacturing testing data has to take place to find the root cause. And lots of data science algorithms get applied to find patterns, and there's several root cause that start coming out. Sometimes a particular supplier supplying a particular component to a particular factory leads into a failure. Sometimes a particular component was passed into a certain temperature weather conditions in the factory, but when it exposed to a very different kind of weather condition, they start failing. Or there at times there could be a design defects or a bill of material choices of components that led into this failure. Complex problem solved with a massive data lake, data warehouse solution, data integration across 20 factories on a real-time basis, 20,000 repair center real-time basis, bringing them together and finding with a nice algorithms and pattern led into getting to the root cause, which then led into a certain amount of saving for the organization.